See, if you have never made concoction rice before, honestly, you are just missing out on a lot. This rice, this special concoction rice I made, it was giving, banging everything. My children took second round and even more. See, just follow this recipe and thank me later. Your family will thank you for this recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick concoction rice. So here I have some tomatoes, some scotch bonnet and some crimson, cabbage, onion, some sage, garlic, celery, snap peas and green beans. I also have some other ingredients that I'm going to be adding shortly. I'm going to add some olive oil. Next we add some sesame oil. Now the oil is heated up. I have seasoning cubes, so I'm going to just cut a little bit of it and just put it there. So that's how much I got, and I'll fluff it off and just pour so that you can start frying. Next you're going to pour some sweet corn and other veggies, and I'm going to grate some nutmeg in it. I'm going to save some cabbage, some snap peas and some celery. I'm going to save them for last, and a little bit of onion there. I'm going to add a bit of salt, add the remaining cubes. I'm going to follow with my rice. Okay. Next we're going to add some chicken stock. Cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to add the remaining vegetables and add a little bit of water. Next I'm going to add some margarine. There we have it. At this point you can just reduce the heat and let it simmer. Guys, the aroma of this is buzzing. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Let's have a quick taste though. Taste this. Buzzing on. Oh my. The fusion of the nutmeg, the sesame, the sage, and the buttery goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. If you want, you can add allspice, but today I just want to keep it simple. There you have it, your concoction rice. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video and share with your friends and loved ones, and let me know what kind of video you want me to make next. Thank you and God bless. Bye.